That's a little one. Alright?
Sometimes we feel unstoppable.
Don't you short yourself.
Hindi natin alam, tinamaan na tayo ng high cholesterol at may cost factors. Bata o matanda, tinataklan. Ayon sa NRI, 17% of Filipinos in their 20s have borderline high cholesterol. At tumataas ito in their 50s. Kaya bago sumabak, start your day with Felipe. With USMA-approved Revocol that helps lower cholesterol. Every day will start with the Monday March 1.
I just want to look at Olay Total Effects Pore-Minimizing CC Cream. Covers, prevents, instantly reduce the look of pores in 80% of women. Total Effects from Olay. Your best beautiful.
Dito sa Skelan Arthritis Test, papatunayan ang bilis-bisa at long-lasting ginhawa ng Skelan. Lo, subukan nga po natin tumayo. Naku, may arthritis po kayo. Recommended ni Doc, Skelan. Gamot na bilis-bisa sa sakit na dulot ng arthritis. Test po ulit natin.
No more.
Ayos na po. Subukan natin ang bilis-bisa at long-lasting ginhawa ng